Reduced fat Jeff. At least it's still creamy. Maybe I have the almond milk vanilla flavor. Of course, a creamer, some cinnamon. Anything you would like to say? Hi everyone, welcome to Sparkling Memories of Mr. Durham. Here today, we're going to be making some smoothies. There we go. Pouring in the almond milk. Vanilla essence or extract? Looks like cinnamon. Shake it on in there. You gotta open up the peanut butter.
The brand don't really matter. Whatever brand is the best cheese. I just went to.
So now we gotta do the frozen stuff. One whole banana. Gotta be at least frozen at least overnight or longer. Damn, you don't even add water? Our liquid base is almond milk?
Yep.
It's still liquefied right now. More bananas, great for potassium. Ripe bananas.
Yep, ripe. Way on the soup and frozen.
And cold, since you don't add ice.
So I freeze it.
So, but freezing, you don't need ice.
Don't want ice.
Gotta get in there good. So it can actually go down. So the more stuff you put in, the more thicker it's getting too. Okay, really thick now. Yeah, I can see it's only light though. got poured in a glass. Frozen fresh, then keep it in there for a little while. Yeah, then one at a time. You don't just jump everything along with the almond milk one time. Yeah, do gradual.
And everything gonna freeze together when it go in the liquid.
It's gonna freeze together, cause another block.
And
that's something you wanna avoid.
Every frozen thing you put in, they're gonna freeze together. Sounds strange.
And then you have the creamer. That's International Delight. Not just for coffees, apparently it's sweeter in smoothies. That and the peanut butter, and of course almond got a nice taste to it too. The almond milk.
They say they're not any sugar.
Yeah, that's right. No sugar and no water is added. Is it thick enough now? One of them tall glasses I said was for smoothie. Ingredients we have here. Looks like pancake mix batter. Better than a Frosty, that's for sure. Nice, similar to ice cream, soft ice cream. No added sugars, no water. The base is basically almond milk.